cold drinks for you guys. Hi, Vida.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Add apple to my refrigerator.
Okay, set up successfully.
What's for lunch? Today is the last day of our health eating challenge.
Probably salad. What should we prepare for our daughter's birthday?
Don't worry. Hi, Vida.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Search for cheesecake that can be prepared.
Okay, here is the receipt you want.
Can I help?
Can you grab the blueberry and cream? Hi, Vida.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Turn on the air conditioner.
Okay, set up successfully.
Happy birthday, my sweetie.